Types, memory views and its methods. 2 bytes, order is equal to C. Return the data in buffer as a byte string. This is equivalent to calling the bytes constructor on the memory view. M is equal to memory view 2 bytes. Memory view M is equal to memory view M dot 2 bytes. Print 2 bytes. 2 bytes B A B C. And then bytes M print bytes M will print BABC, correct? For non-contiguous arrays, the result is equal to the flattened list representation with all elements converted to bytes. 2 bytes supports all format strings, including those that are not in struct module syntax. New in version 3.8, order can be CFA. When order is C or F, the data of the original array is converted to C or Fortran order. For contiguous views, A returns an exact copy of the physical memory. In particular, in memory, Fortran order is preserved. For non-contiguous views, the data is converted to C first. Order is equal to none is the same as order is equal to C. Hex, separator, separator, comma, bytes per separator. Return a string object containing 2 hexadecimal digits for each byte in the buffer. Memory view abcm.hex print m.hex 616263. New in version 3.5, changed in version 3.8. Similar to bytes.hex and memoryview.hex now supports optional separator and bytes per separator parameters to insert separators between bytes in the hex output. To list, return the data in the buffer as a list of elements. Dot to list. Print m dot to list in the list format. This one we already show. So changed in version 3.3, to list now supports all single character native formats in struct module syntax as well as multidimensional representation. To read only, return a read only version of the memory view object. The original memory view object is unchanged. Memory view byte array is equal to m dot to read only. Dot to list is equal to 97, 98, 99. 0 is equal to 42. Check, okay. Then m0 43. Dot to list, yep. Release the underlying buffer exposed by the memory view object. Many objects take special actions when a view is held on them. For example, a byte array would temporarily forbid resizing. Therefore, calling release is handy to remove these restrictions and free any dangling resources as soon as possible. After this method has been called, any further operation on the view raises a value error except release itself, which can be handled multiple times. Memory view m.release. So here if I release, okay, memory view and try to print m of 0, it will throw an error, right? Value error, operation forbidden on released memory view object, right? So the context management protocol can be used for a similar effect using the with statement. With memory view b abc as m of 0 will give you this, and m of 0 will give you error. Cast format comma shape. Cast a memory view to a new format or shape. Shape defaults to byte underscore length slash slash new underscore item size, which means that the result view will be one dimensional. The return value is a new memory view, but the buffer itself is not copied. Supported casts are 1D to C contiguous to C and C contiguous to 1D. The destination format is restricted to a single element native format in struct syntax. One of the formats must be a byte format BBBC. The byte length of the result must be the same as the original length. Note that all byte lengths may depend on the operating system. Cast 1D slash long to 1D slash unsigned bytes. Import array array.array import array a is equal to array dot array l long 1 2 3 x is equal to memory view a x dot format x dot format, let's see, l, and x dot item size x dot item size is equal to 8 bit. Length of x is equal to 3 and bytes is equal to 8 into 3 24 bytes, and then y is equal to cast p and print y dot format should be l b okay, cast b, that's why b, and y dot item size would be 1 because only one byte is there, and length of y would be the same 24 bytes, and bytes is equal to 24. Cast 1D slash unsigned bytes to id character. So memory byte array, memory view for byte array x dot 0 is equal to a. Memory view invalid type for format b. Okay, now cast to c and then assign. Now x dot cast c, y of 0 is equal to this, and now print b. Run it. Byte array exyz. Cast one dimensional bytes to 3D integers or one dimensional signed character. Import structure buffer struct dot pack I into 12 star list range 12. X is equal to memory buffer memory view this, y is equal to x dot cast I shape 223. uh, Let me print this, run this program in IDE. Struct this one, memory view buffer, this y dot to list, print y dot to list. Okay, 3333 I dot 12, so 11, pointer list range 12, x is equal to memory view buffer, y is equal to x dot cast integer, shape is equal to 223, and y dot to list, y dot format integer, y dot item size 4 bytes, right? Length of y 12, to length of y oh yeah, 2 bytes, total bytes 48, cast 2 bytes array, z dot format would be now, instead of e, instead of b, it should be b now, and z dot item size would be 1, and length would be 48, same, and bytes, z dot bytes would be same, 48. Cast id 1d to unsigned long to 2d unsigned long, buffer this one, so length of y, print struct import struct dot pack capital L long unsigned long into 6 pointer list range 6, buffer memory view buffer x dot cast long, shape is equal to 2 3, and y, length of y 2, y dot n bytes, y dot n bytes is equal to 48, y dot to list is equal to 1 2 3 3 4 5. There are also several randomly attributes available. Thank you.